Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this easy salmon in the air fryer. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We are going to make some delicious salmon in the air fryer. It's the only way I make salmon. Literally I never ever make salmon any other way. It's so quick and it's so delicious. It doesn't overcook the salmon if you follow my tips. So this salmon that we're going to do is I'm going to brush a yummy marinade on it, and then we're going to cook in the air fryer. I've got 2 4-ounce salmon planks here with the skin on, but you don't have to have the skin on. And another tip, you can either spray your basket, which we've done, or you can line it with foil. And I usually line mine with foil, but spraying it with the basket is good. And what I love about this recipe is there's no need to preheat the air fryer. Air fryers heat up so quickly because it's so small. You really very rarely need to preheat your air fryer. So like I said, we've got 2 4-ounce boneless, skin on or off, it doesn't matter, salmon fillets. They're, some nice salmon fillets. I get these at Kroger. You can find thinner ones, but thinner ones are going to actually cook a lot quicker. We're going to start mixing up our marinade. So I've got 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a half a teaspoon of chili powder. Oh no! Oopsie. A half a teaspoon of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. It'll come out. It's stuck in there. And then I've got a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Yummy seasoning. Okay, now we're going to stir this up. And then we're gonna brush it all over our salmon. I'm gonna put the salmon in the air fryer first. Just make things a lot simpler. And you know what? This is gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna line my air fryer with foil. And I'm gonna spray the foil with cooking spray, just because the skin is going to stick if I don't. So I'm gonna put this in here skin side down. So now we can use either a basting brush or a spoon to spoon the marinade over the salmon. I'm just gonna use a spoon. And this is probably enough marinade for 4 pieces of salmon. But it's so good. I'm gonna really pile it on there. Okay, so now we're going to put this in the air fryer. I'm gonna set the temperature to 400. And we're going to start it off with 10 minutes to cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to check it. I really like my salmon to be about 120 internal temperature, a nice medium to medium rare. I hate overcooked salmon. Okay, our salmon is done. It actually took 12 minutes. So I'm going to pull them out of here onto this plate. And now this is not going to give you crispy skinned salmon. The salmon's gonna be soggy. But what you're going to do is it's just gonna peel right off, or you just eat it. Let me show you. Okay, so yeah, when you go to cut it, the flesh just comes right off of the skin. And it's the best thing ever, because then, well, there's no skin right there, but anyway, right here you can see the flesh just came right off the skin. And so let's take a bite. Perfect salmon. So flaky and moist. Oh my gosh, it's so good. You can really taste that lime juice. That is some dang good salmon. So guys, you're gonna love this recipe. Also, if you're on YouTube, click this box right here and you can find my air fryer chicken thighs recipe. It is the most popular recipe on my website. If you're on Facebook, you can just go to jenniferbands.com, or you can just go to Google and type in air fryer chicken thighs, and my recipe is #1. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.